welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting a new segment on my channel. I think I'm going to call it, exact words, Cooking with Paige. No, I don't have any really experience cooking professionally, but you know what? I've been cooking since I've been little, so I think I have built up enough wisdom. So today I'm going to show you just an easy recipe, college friendly, because you know, we ain't got the bucks to be spending on a steak or anything, but I'm gonna be making some easy enchiladas, so stay tuned. Anyways, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let's just get into it. I would just like to apologize for the angles in advance. I definitely need to get a new boyfriend that can film, so. Okay, so right now I'm just working on the filling. So in the bowl so far, I just sauteed some onions, garlic, and cilantro, and then I have a block of softened cream cheese. You don't have to add the onions and stuff if you don't have it, obviously, but it just makes it taste a little cuisine, a good cuisine. So then I have some chicken over here. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm famous right now. Anyways, I have some chicken. You could not add the chicken if I don't think you wanted to, like if you don't like chicken. You could probably also add like ground beef. I think that'd be good too. I think this is way too much chicken. Oscar shredded the whole freaking chicken. But so what you're gonna do is just mix it around. Oscar, like, my goodness. Comment down below if your boyfriend just can't understand simple directions. Anyways, so you would ideally shred it smaller than this, but we're just gonna go with it. And then, I don't like that noise. And then we're gonna add some shredded cheese to this, and this is just gonna be the really simple filling. You could honestly just add the chicken, cream cheese, and shredded cheese, and it would be perfect. Oh my goodness, I forgot the most important ingredient. Pause the cameras. Okay, apparently it's important for me to show you the brand of green chilies that I have, but they come in a really small can. It's just hatch green chilies, and you just need the small can because you don't want to add too much because it'll be kind of overwhelming. So you just kind of, oh no, plop those in, you know. It doesn't look good yet, don't show it. Oh, the noise, I can't do it. And then I got some H-E-B cheese. Just, you can use whatever cheese you have. I would recommend the Mexican blend, but you can use like American cheese or mozzarella or anything you want. So I just put like a handful of that. I would say close to like half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. And then, oh, I feel awkward. Okay, anyways, it's gonna look something like this when you're done, and then I'm gonna get the corn tortillas ready, and then we'll show you how we stuff them. Okay, so I just got a pack of corn tortillas from H-E-B. These are yellow. White are also good too. I kind of like the white ones better just because they're a little bit more neutral in flavor, but either one works. So then you're just gonna take, oh, making a mess. So then you're just gonna take some of your mixture. Come close, they wanna see. It's all over my hand, it looks gross, kind of. So you're just gonna take your mixture, put it a little bit more to one side, and then roll it on up. And then I'm putting these in a baking dish because I'm gonna bake them to melt the cheese and warm up the sauce on top. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the rest of them, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. And off it goes to get all cheesy and delicious. Also, I'm making beans, and then I have rice for the sides. I really didn't think anybody, hold up. I didn't really think anyone would actually enjoy me making beans and rice, but if you are, comment. I could definitely do a video like that sometime. But yeah, I'll be back to you in like 15 minutes, but it'll be like 1 second for y'all. All right, ladies and gents, this is, it's the final enchiladas. Don't they look seriously delicious? So I'm gonna get them plated up, and then I'll show you the final plate. All right, this is the final plate. Doesn't it look so good? Like that definitely looks like it's straight from the Chewy's kitchen, and it's super easy and super simple to make. So everyone, if you watch this video, go and make this and tag me on Instagram if you make it, because I'd really love to see it. Okay, I'm on my phone right now. I had to put this in. I wasn't gonna put it in, but like, oh my goodness. Bottoms up, ladies. Wanna see me do my dance? Okay, I don't know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and like I said, Rosie's pestering me, but like I said, if you recreate it, tag me on Instagram. You can find that down below. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video because I enjoy cooking so much your favorite things. But yeah, I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.